That's good. What's going on, everybody? Joshua Skinner Farms. Today we're gonna make some chili, but we're gonna do it a little bit different. I'm using 5 pounds of meat, so I'm gonna cook it all on a Blackstone. At first, I'm gonna go get me some oil and put down here real quick. I'm gonna cook my hamburger on the Blackstone, get it going. Probably go inside, get our seasonings and everything put in there, get it brought to a boil, and then for the last, I don't know how long, I'm gonna throw it on the Oklahoma Joe offset smoker, stick burner, and smoke it. So get some added flavors in there. So let me go get some oil. I'll be back. All right, I got me a little avocado oil. Use whatever oil you want. This is what I grabbed first. Just put a little bit down. I got the Blackstone turned on low right now. What I'll probably end up doing is turn it up a little bit hotter. This chili recipe I got partially from old T-Roy over at T-Roy Cooks. I'm going to change it up a little bit, kind of make it my own. So let's get this going. Like I said, normally I do this all inside. Cooking this much chili. Do it on a Blackstone, get it done quicker. I like to use 80-20. I think that's what this is. And here the cows going in the background. Let me get my hamburger browned up. Take it inside, get the cast iron Dutch oven, and go from there. Alright, I got my hamburger all browned up. It took me all 10 minutes out here on the Blackstone. I'll crunch it up a little bit better inside, but how long would I have taken it inside? That's what I did on the Blackstone. Get it all done faster. Grease drain out of there. And I'm just putting it in an aluminum pan right here. So I can take it inside, get it going on the Dutch oven, in the Dutch oven, and then I'll show you what we do next. I'll fast forward through this. I know it's boring. And I just cooked it with 2 burners on, because I need them all. this is still hot, after I take this inside, I'll come out and clean this real quick. Just some oil, paper towel. It'll be ready to go for the next time. Cut the gas off. So I'll be back. Okay, we're back in the house. So, in my cast iron Dutch oven, I've got about 20 ounces of this tomato sauce, 32 ounces of beef broth, 2 chicken bouillon cubes, 2 beef bouillon cubes. I'm going to bring this to a boil. I'm going to float a jalapeno if I can find one done with them. You're supposed to float a serrano too, but I didn't have any, so it's going to be warm enough anyway. So I'll bring this to a boil. I'll come back and we'll start dumping some other seasoning in it, and we'll show you what we got then. Okay, we're boiling. So I've got about 3/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 packet of Sazon Goya seasoning, 3 tablespoons of garlic powder, and 5 tablespoons of onion powder, and about 10 tablespoons of chili powder. Dump all that in there, stir it around. It's already starting to smell good. I'm going to cut that down to a simmer and let her go for about an hour maybe. And then we'll come back and add some more spices and seasoning to it, and we'll go from there. So probably the last half hour or so, go out on the smoker, let it get some of that good smoke flavor in it. So I'm going to get it fired up and we'll be back. Alright, so I got my Weber chimney here. Got some royal oak charcoal going. Probably going to go grab a chunk of red oak or something. I don't have any hickory right now, or it's beef, so I want something. I got some mesquite over I could use, but I don't know, we'll see. I'll probably end up just going with a chunk of red oak or something. Get this chimney all fired up, get the smoke warmed up to temp, and when that's done simmering for, like I said, about an hour, we'll add some more stuff to it, and then we'll come back and I'll show you what else to dump in it, and let it go for another half hour, 45 minutes, and throw it in the smoker and let it finish off. So I'll be back shortly. Okay, we've been going for about an hour, been simmering back here. Now it's dark, you can't hardly see it, but here I've got about 1.5 tablespoons of garlic, about another 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 3/4 tablespoon of black pepper, half a packet of Sazon Goya, about a tablespoon and a half of oregano, and about 3/4 teaspoon, I'm sorry, these are all teaspoons, teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So I'm going to dump this in here. Stir it in. Let this go for probably another 30 minutes or so. We'll take it out, throw it on the smoker, and we'll see what else we got to do. So we'll be back shortly. Okay, we've been going for about an hour, been simmering back here. Now it's dark, you can't hardly see it, but here I've got about 1.5 tablespoons of garlic, about 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 3/4 tablespoon of black pepper, half a packet of Sazon Goya, about a tablespoon and a half of oregano, and about 3/4 tablespoon of teaspoon, I'm sorry, these are all teaspoons, teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So I'm going to dump this in here. And well, I got one more dump to put in it. I'll put about 2.5 tablespoons of cumin, and another half packet of Sazon Goya, and about another 3/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. When it's done, when I do that, I'll probably squeeze a little bit of that juicy jalapeno in there. Or I may just let it go like it is. It'll be warm enough anyway. The original recipe calls for more chili powder, but not everybody likes it that hot, so I think it'll be warm enough. I think it's gonna be good. Smells good. So I get all this last dump fixed up and put in there. We'll see back in about 30 minutes or so, and go to the smoker. Alright, so it's been about another half hour. I told you what else I was going to dump in here. My other half packet of Sazon Goya, about 3/4 of a teaspoon cayenne pepper, 2.5 tablespoons of ground cumin. So, that dumped in there. I may add a little bit more chili powder after a bit, I don't know, I'll just have to try it and see. Get this stirred in. Smells good. But now I'm going to take it out, throw it on the smoker, and just let it go until whenever, whatever I think, you know. Let's see what happens. Might give it a little taste test here. I think that's pretty good. I think I'm going to go ahead and take that jalapeno out of there. It'll be warm enough the way it is. Maybe too hot for some people, but you know what? I may squeeze a little juice in there. Just for a little extra flavor. That's good. And I'm probably going to go just a little more. Not for the heat, just for the flavor. So about another 1/4 teaspoon chili powder. Like I said, just for the flavor, not for heat. Alright, let's take this out to the smoker. Okay, you see the hot side where the stick burner's at, it's about 300 degrees. Over here, we're about 250, which is what I want for smoke. Let's set this camera down, put this chili on here, and we'll show you what we got. Okay, so I'm just going to slide this in here. I'm going to sit there and we'll get some water from my water pan. Got my chili going. Just going to let her smoke for a little bit, and then I don't know, we'll see. We'll come back and check it out here after a bit. Okay, so before I do my taste test and everything, I want to thank our servicemen and women and our veterans for keeping a glory flying high on the farm out here. Let's do this taste test. Get a check. Get a look at it. Can you see that? Been on the smoker for an hour or so, a little over maybe, but here we go. That's good. That's banging. So, as always, hope you like this video. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down twice. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Thank you. To our returning members, or followers, sorry, cows. You know I love you all. Hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a thing. And as always, we'll see you on the next video.